Alright, 23 Panini 1 Football 3 box number 8 coming at you guys. Check your teams on the right. Last call for trades. Anybody? Going once, going twice. Bueller. Yes, not. Alright. Good luck, everybody. So we do what? After these 3, 7 into the case. So 20 box cases. I think 20 box cases. So I've got 13 left. Right, first up. Good luck, everybody. Not seen the pack yet either. Ooh, like that. Good starts. JSN, sick patch. Is that a little number, the number inscription too? I said Seahawks. Oscar kicking it off. I feel like Seahawks always have the nastiest patches. 58, 75. 68 of 75. Ooh, don't drop it. No precision. Nice hit, Oscar. Right, box 2. Jose Flowers. Woo, another sick patch. Baltimore Rouse. Precision red. That's got to be short, right? There's Flowers RPA. Yeah, 13 to 25. Nice hit, Ross. Take back-to-back receiver studs. On card too. Yeah, on card too. Jason. Those are both on card. Box 3. Good triple right here. Close it out strong. Another Seahawks, Zach Charbonnet. It's the 199. I don't think we've seen any of that style yet. Is that true? It's doubling up on Seattle. Oscar, nice work. One spot snipe. One spot snipe. Nice work, Oscar. Are they all on card? So I've never really. I feel like I thought I've seen stickers from it. Maybe I'm making that up. It's like a little something on that. One touch. Ross got the Zay, Oscar on the 2-piece. 2-piece Nuggets. So, does it say it on the box? One. Oh yeah, you are correct. One on-card autograph. Let's go. 13 left in the case. I've not seen the stainless pack yet. Pretty sure those are 1 per case. Guys, the 3 box number 8. Thanks for jumping in, everybody.